Hello everyone. In this session of our Watch and Learn training series, we shall discuss the process of monitoring suspicious activities in EventTracker version 9. Monitoring suspicious activities is very crucial in any organization to safeguard your network from any potential attack or security breach. EventTracker allows the users to monitor and terminate suspicious activities for the EventTracker agent. It helps the users in avoiding any unsafe connections to the external IP addresses and the internal unsafe activities. To understand this feature, let us first look into the important files and the backend priority based on which a process gets terminated. The highest priority is the blacklist files, where it will first consider the hashes and then the IPs. Blacklist files maintain the list of any unsafe or suspicious activities. These files contain the list of unsafe hashes and unsafe IP addresses identified by the respective user. Next, it will check the unsafe file list. The list of all the unsafe processes are maintained in the unsafe list. It includes all the unsafe parent processes or locations, along with the unsafe folder locations that are identified by the users. To understand this better, let us consider an example where Microsoft Outlook might contain emails with multiple attachments. In this scenario, Outlook is the parent process which the user wants to allow, and the child process in the form of an attachment needs to be terminated. To achieve this, the administrator should first maintain a whitelist and add the parent process name to it. In our example, Outlook needs to be added. Next, the administrator will also have to add the parent process in the unsafe list. In our case, the hash value for Outlook needs to be added here. This is done so that the user can launch the parent process, that is Outlook. However, the child process, which could be the attachments in Outlook, will be terminated. On the other hand, when a specific folder location is added for monitoring, if any process launches from that particular unsafe folder, it will be terminated. And finally, based on the priority, it will consider the safe list, which will also include the product or signer. The .bin file will be auto-created when the user enables the network connection monitoring in the EventTracker agent configuration. This will be discussed in greater detail in our next video. The safe list includes the list of safe-listed hashes maintained by the user. It also includes the list of safe parent process name or location and the safe folder location. When a safe parent process is added for monitoring, it will consider both the parent process as well as the child process which is under it as safe. Please note that the parent process must be added to the whitelist if you are going to monitor the executables. Let us consider the same example we discussed earlier with Microsoft Outlook emails containing multiple attachments. In this scenario, Outlook is the parent process, which might include the child process in the form of attachments. Here, both the parent and the child process will be considered as safe. On the other hand, when a specific folder location is added for monitoring, if any process launches from that particular safe folder, it will be considered as safe. The safe list also includes the list of safe product names and the digital signer name. These files are maintained separately to distinguish different products from the same vendor. For example, Internet Explorer is the product name from the digital signer, which is Microsoft Corporation. The blacklist files need to be maintained in the EventTracker agent installation directory and under the agent folder. And the unsafe and safe list files need to be maintained in the EventTracker agent installation directory and under the cache folder as shown. This concludes our overview on the backend files and their priority in monitoring suspicious activities. Stay tuned to learn more about this feature in our next video. Thank you.